Hi, I am Siddharth. Today I am bringing you a home theater system that puts you at the heart of the movies you watch. The HT-S20R gives you 5.1 channels of real Dolby digital surround sound with a 3-channel soundbar, rear speakers, and an external subwoofer that delivers dynamic and immersive sound. You can customize your sound by choosing from auto, standard, cinema, and music modes. You can also select night and voice modes and use subwoofer control to fine-tune your experience. Simply plug it in, wire up your rear speakers and external subwoofer, and you're ready to be at the heart of the action. You can also stream music wirelessly from your smartphone with wireless connectivity. You can also use the USB port to plug and play music from a memory stick with ease. You can connect your TV using the HDMI ARC, the optical input, or the analog input. Order one for yourself and make your movie moments unforgettable.